Hey guys, Jim from Measure Square here. I'm going to give you a quick look at our AR app that we've been developing with Apple's AR Kit. I'm going to be showing this on my iPhone X, so I'm going to go ahead, open the app, hit the plus icon to get started. Right now the program is going to recognize the floor or detect the world. You'll see this little flag where I can pick my starting point, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the corner of the room and then hit the green plus icon. Now I'll move to the next corner of the room, hit the green plus icon again to mark my next point, and now you'll see the wall start to be drawn. Just keep on moving to my next corner, hit the green plus icon, move to my next corner again, hit that green plus one more time. Then I'm going to bring this back to the starting point, which we'll snap right back to. Close out the diagram. And now you'll see that my room has been drawn as I scan around. You'll see the flooring is being recognized as well. Then I can tap the icon to actually add a flooring product. So you'll see this neat wood design as I move around. Again, this is all just using the camera on the back of my phone. Pretty easy to draw a room and close the shape off. Apply the flooring material when we're all done. Then I can hit that check mark at the bottom right. This will give us our diagram in a PDF form. We'll see that total area, the total perimeter, along with our wall lengths on the side as well. So this is all pretty easy. I can hit that share icon to send it. So I can now email this out to anyone I need to a contractor, to a friend, to get a quote, get an estimate, whatever we need done. All right, in this next part, I'm going to show how we can add some openings. We can add our doors as well. So let's go ahead, start this up one more time. It's going to detect the world again. I'm just moving around slowly, pointing at the ground. Have my flag starting point again. So I'm going to start in this corner one more time. Hit that green plus. Scan over to my next corner. Hit that plus. Now I'm going to stop at the door. Hit that plus. Then I'm going to tap that door icon. This will draw out the door for us. Tap the green plus, and then I'm going to make that little part of the wall one more time. Hit the plus. Keep on moving. Tap the green plus in this corner. Now we see that there's an opening right here for this glass wall, so I'll tap the brick that will unhighlight. And you'll notice all my corners are easy 90-degree turns, because you'll see that 90-degree lock on the screen as well. As I move around, you'll see the door opening along with that opening that we did for that glass door. Now we'll see our perimeter and total area again, along with the door in there now, plus those dashed lines representing the opening for that glass wall. So if we weren't going to add base to there, we would know not to. I can share this as well through the email, type in the email, send that out as a PDF to the friend or contractor to get a quote or an estimate. Thanks for watching, guys, and talk to you soon.